students, welcome to Grow Up Online Tuitions and welcome to the class of tricks to answer matching type of questions. When you observe the previous year question papers, you may notice that the trend on asking of matching type of questions are gradually increased. By using of some tricks to answer matching type of questions easily within less than 30 seconds. The best method to answer this matching type of questions are elimination is the best method to answer matching type of questions in less than 30 seconds. Now apply this elimination method by taking an example. Here is the example that here in this type of matching questions, first point is that firstly go with the familiar ones. That means well-known one. Here among the four substances, here A, B, C, D, this is a well-known substance to us. Why? Because this plaster of Paris is present in intermediate and as well as in 10th class. That's why this plaster of Paris is very familiar to us. We know that plaster of Paris formula is CaSO4 into half water. This is very familiar to us. That's why I directly write the formula. That means the plaster of Paris means CaSO4 into half water. Here we observe that A matches with 2. Now let us verify the given options. You know that A is 2. That means A matches with 2. Here in given options, A matches with 1. That's why you can easily eliminate option 1. In second option, A matches with 4. You can easily eliminate second option also. Here A is matches with 3. Third option is also eliminated. Only left with option 4. So our answer is 4 is our correct answer. By knowing of only one substance from the list 1, that is plaster of Paris, you can answer this matching type of question. Even you don't know the remaining these three formulas in list 1 substance, you can easily answer this matching one. Why? There is no need to verify the remaining options are right or not. Why? Because here A is matches only with 2. That's why 4 is our correct answer. There is no need to verify B matches with 3 or not, C matches with 4 or not, D matches with 1 or not. Why? Because we know that A is definitely matches with 2. That's why no option is present that A matches with 2. That's why our answer is 4 is our correct answer. Let's answer this 149 matching type of question. Here column 1 given the processes, here column 2 given the extraction of metals and which metal is extracted by using of which process. The first point we have to keep in mind that go with the familiar one. It is well known. Among the four processes, the fourth flotation process is very familiar. Why? Because this occurs in second year metallurgy. This is an 4-mark question in the second year. That's why this growth flotation process is very familiar to us. You know that this growth flotation process is used for dressing of zinc sulfide. That is, this process is used for only sulfide ores. That means which containing the sulfides, this growth flotation process is used. You may conclude that this growth flotation process is used for dressing of zinc sulfide. This process is used for the sulfide ores. Okay, now let us verify in column 2. Here, the dressing of zinc sulfide. You observe that B is matches with 2. Now let us verify the given options. That means here B matches with 4. So option 1 is eliminated. Why? Because our answer B is matches with 2. In option 2, B matches with 2. Okay, option 2 is present. In option 3, B matches with 3. That's why option 3 is also eliminated. In option 4, B matches with the 2. So by knowing of growth flotation process, you can easily eliminate 2 options. That means 50% of question is solved by knowing only one process. Okay, now let us closely observe the option 2 and 4. Here C is matches with 3. In option 4, C is also matches with option 3. Here we conclude that there is no need to verify the electrolytic reduction. Why? Because the 2 options containing the C is the answer. We know that the zone refining is also well known for us. That's why I go with the zone refining. Here the zone refining is used for the ultra pure of germanium. That means D matches with 1. Here D matches with 1, but in option 4 D matches with 4. That's why option 4 is also eliminated. We left with only option 2. That is 2 is our correct answer. In this matching type of questions, there is no need to know all the processes present in column 1. You have to pick up the well-known one and start answering. You get the answer within 30 seconds. Now let us discuss the 15th one. Here they given column 1 ions and in column 2 their magnetic moments. Okay. We know that spin-only magnetic moments formula mu is equal to root over n into n plus 2. Here n is equal to number of unpaired electrons. There is no need to calculate the spin-only magnetic momentum of all ions present in column 1. You may calculate one and you can easily eliminate the options. Here I am taking chromium 3 plus ion. We know that chromium atomic number is 24. Its electronic configuration is argon 4s1 3d5. Now let us see its electronic configuration in chromium 3 plus. That means loss of 3 electrons. Its electronic configuration is argon 4s0 3d3. Okay. Now fill up the electrons in d orbitals. Here 1, 2, 3. We observe that there is presence of 3 unpaired electrons. That means n equal to 3. The number of unpaired electrons present in chromium 3 plus is 3. Now substitute this value in the above formula. Mu is equal to root over n into n plus 2. Here n equal to 3. Mu is equal to root over 3 into 3 plus 2. That will gives rise to root over 3 into 5. This gives rise to 3 into 5. That means root 15. Here we observe that chromium 3 plus spin-only magnetic moment value is root 15 Bohr magnetome. Now let us verify the given options. Here B matches with 5. Here in option 4 B matches with 2. That's why option 4 is eliminated. Here in option 3 B matches with 1. That's why option 3 is also eliminated. In option 1 and 2 B matches with 5. Now let us verify the spin-only magnetic moment of another ion. That means nickel 2 plus. We know that nickel's atomic number is 28. Its electronic configuration is argon 4s2 3d8. Now let us write its electronic configuration in nickel 2 positive. That means loss of 2 electrons. Its electronic configuration becomes argon 4s0 3d8. Now let us fill these electrons in d orbitals. You have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. We observe that there is 2 unpaired electrons are present. That means its value is n equal to 2. Now substitute this value in a spin-only magnetic momentum formula. Here mu is equal to root over n into n plus 2. That will give rise to root over 2 into 2 plus 2. 2 into 4. It gives rise to root 8. We conclude that nickel 2 plus spin-only magnetic momentum is root 8. That means D matches with 1. Now let us verify the given options. In option 2, D matches with 2. That's why we eliminate the option 2. Here D matches with 1 in option 1, correct answer. By calculating of only 2 ions spin-only magnetic momentum, you can easily get the answer. There is no need to calculate the all ions spin magnetic momentum. We randomly choose 2 ions to calculate magnetic moments. So our answer is 1 is our correct answer. Now let us see the 117. Here column 1 given the compounds. In a column 2 their shapes are given. You have to match the column 1 with column 2. In this type of questions, firstly calculate the number of bond pairs and lone pairs. By knowing of number of bond pairs and lone pairs, you may easily conclude the shape of that compound. I go with the first one, that is XeF6. We know that xenon belongs to group 18. It has 8 outermost electrons. Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Xenon forms a bond with fluorine. Here, 6 fluorines are bonded with xenon. We left with one lone pair of electron. We conclude that here 6 bond pairs are present and one lone pair is present. Easily conclude the shape of the structure is that this is a distorted octahedral. Why? Because where there is a distortion, that means disturbance is occurred in octahedral. That's why this structure is a distorted octahedral. So we conclude that A matches with 1. Now let us come to the given options. Here A matches with 1. Here A matches with 4. That's why option 1 is eliminated. In option 2, A matches with 1. In option 3 also A matches with 1. But in option 4, A matches with 4. That's why option 4 is also eliminated. By knowing of XeF6 is a distorted octahedral, you can easily eliminate two options. Now let us closely observe these two options. In option 2 and 3, C is 4. That there is no need to verify the XeO-F4 shape. That is, its shape is a square pyramidal. Why? Because option 2, 3 contains the same. Now let us verify the B. That means XeO3. We know that xenon belongs to group 18. Its outermost electrons are 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. We know that there is requires 2 electrons from xenon to make a bond with oxygen. Here, one oxygen requires 2 electrons. Here 3 oxygens are present. Totally, 6 electrons are required to bond with oxygen. Here, one lone pair of electron is present. Now let us try to draw its structure. Here, xenon is double bond with oxygen, double bond with oxygen, double bond with oxygen, and there is presence of one lone pair. We may observe that this shape is similar to ammonia. Why? Because here is also 3 bond pairs are present, one lone pair is present. Here the shape of ammonia is pyramidal. In this case of XeO3, its structure is also pyramidal structure. So B matches with 3. Now let us come to the options. Here B matches with 3. Only option 2 satisfies that B matches with 3. Option 3 is eliminated. So our answer is 2 is our correct answer. Now let us apply the concept of elimination on 58. Here in column 1 they given the processes. Here in column 2 they obtain the products. We go with the familiar one. Here the Haber's process is very familiar to us or very well known to us. Why? Because in intermediate first year this Haber's process is used to prepare for the ammonia. Now let us see its reaction. Here N2 gas plus 3 moles of hydrogen gas. This reacts in equilibrium nature to form 2 moles of ammonia gas. We can conclude that by using of Haber's process you can prepare ammonia. Now let us come to the options. That means here B matches with 3. Now let us verify the given options. Here B matches with 2. So eliminate option 1. Here B matches with 4. Eliminate option 2. Here B matches with 4. Eliminate the option 3. But in option 4, B is matches with 3. Knowing of Haber's process is used to preparation of ammonia, you can easily answer this question. By eliminating of 3 options, we left with only option 4. That is 4 is our correct answer. There is no need to verify the remaining process. In this way, you can easily answer the matching type of questions in less than 30 seconds. Now let us apply the concept of 52. Here in column 1, they given some elements. Here in column 2, the characters are present. Firstly, you have to remember that go with the well-known one. Okay, the well-known one is copper. The copper, which is an D block elements. The D block elements is also called as an transition metals. By this concept, the A is matches with 2. Now let us verify the given options. Here A is matches with 1. So eliminate the option 1. Here A is matches with 2. In option 3, A is also matches with 2. But in fourth option, A is matches with 4. That's why fourth option is also eliminated. By knowing the copper and transition metal, you can easily eliminate two options. The next one is fluorine. We know that the concept that in periodic table, the left hand side present elements are called metals. The right hand side present elements are called the non-metals. The fluorine which is present on the right hand side means fluorine which is a non-metal. So B is matches with 1. Now let us verify the remaining options. Here B is matches with 4. So 2 is also eliminated. We left with the option 3. So our answer is 3 is our correct answer. There is no need to verify the remaining two elements, that is silicon or selenium. Automatically they are right. 85 and 87 questions you have to answer by using the above following elimination method. Please comment your answers in comment box. I think you are clear with how to answer the matching type of questions. Please note that firstly use these tricks in the mock test or model paper test and then apply in the main examination. Thanks for watching. I hope this content is very useful for you for your upcoming examinations. Please like the content and share with your friends and family members. If you have any doubts in the above content, please comment us. Please do subscribe for more videos and updates. Thank you and all the best.